hi guys from YouTube as well. I'm reacting to Hoody when the rain stops. I should rephrase it differently in the future. But yeah, this is part of my catch-up stream on Twitch, but I'm recording this at the same time and re-uploading to YouTube later. I'm not sure if this is gonna be on my first K-pop channel or on my second, my K-Hiphop channel. Not sure yet, but wherever you're watching it from, hello there. Welcome, and let's get started with Hoodies when the rain stops once again. Oh, there's subtitles too. Nice. Hoodie's voices, and it has been a while. I think she had her own song published, so I was actually looking forward to this quite a bit. Oh, the rain is stopping. That's a very empty and big empty room. Oh yes, already like it. Let's go, Hoody. Well, this is an actress, but yeah. Her voice. Oh my god, wait, no. I'm actually really in love with the song already. It's just so... What a mood, what a vibe. I like that it keeps going. Oh my god. Yes, the effortless transition, yes. This is my type of song. This is my type of song. This is what I listen to on a daily basis. It's the vibey R&B with a beautiful, very breathy vocal on it. Like, come on. Ooh, vibe change. Up song. I'm vibing to everything. I do like a lot of different music, that's true, to go to that. But no, like, this is literally what when I'm saying, this is what I listen to on a daily basis. I mean it. Like, this type of sound, right? I listen to, right now, a lot of American music and a lot of Doja Cat. And this is literally Doja Cat types of vibes. It's maybe a little bit less on the sexy side. And yeah, that's about it. But yeah, it's so Doja Cat to me as well. Nice. The fade out. Yes. Yes, this is so good. Oh my god. I'm so glad to my past self from 3 hours ago that I added this to my playlist. Like to this playlist, because I initially didn't wanna do like K-Hiphop stuff, but I just thought, whatever, I'm doing it. This is great. Like, I don't have any other words. I just like it so much. Like, literally, no explanation needed, in my opinion. This was just a vibe, and I am happy that she's back with music, her own music, not with features. But she had a lot of features recently. But man, good job, Hoodie. It was great. Nice. See you in another video, guys, and leave a comments down below what you think about the song yourself. Peace.